Good morning. So today we've decided to take a little drive down to Laganas beach. Now we did see this place from the water the other day on our little boat cruise around the island. If you haven't seen that, by the way, I'll put the link at the end of the video up here somewhere, or up here, wherever it may be. Give that a click and take a look. Anyway, today, as I said, we're at Laganas beach. We're going to take a walk up and down here. It's supposed to be really nice. It looked nice from the sea. We've also got Cameo Island, which is down here. We're going to go and have a look at that. There's supposed to be some turtle nests still down here as well, so we're going to see if we can see some of those. And then we're going to head slightly further north up to Keri. There's a few nice viewpoints there we're going to look at, so stay with us. It's a nice sunny day. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on the video and hit the subscribe button as well. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to us. So without further ado, let's go. Car needs a bit of a clean. Yeah. There we go, there's Cameo Island over there. And this is Laganas beach. Really nice. I think we'll go that way. Have a walk up there. Now the other day when we did the boat tour, we literally went from this island here straight across to that island there. We completely missed this cove, so that's why we've come back here, just to have a good look around. One of the good things about doing these boat tours, you see something from the boat that you like and you want to see, you can always come back and have a look. It's a really nice beach. It goes on for miles. I mean, we've walked a good 10-15 minutes already. We've still got loads of beach in front of us, and there's a long way back to Cameo Island, so it's you can't go wrong here. There's really nice clear water, beaches, nice fine sand, there's sunbeds, restaurants all the way up the beach. It is October, so a lot of the hotels are closed along here, so all their sunbeds have been taken away, but during the high season this would be absolutely packed full of sunbeds and they would all be full. But yeah, really nice place to come. I can see up ahead we've actually got some turtle nests on the beach, so we're going to take a look at those, wander up a little bit further, and then we'll turn back, head down towards Cameo Island and see what we can find down there. Absolutely beautiful. You can see there's quite a few nests here actually. Still waiting to hatch. They only hatch generally at night, so I'm not expecting to see anything. There's a couple up here as well. There's one in the walkway there. There's another one there. Would be really lovely to see these hatch out and walk down to the sea, or crawl to the sea. They don't walk, do they? I don't know. What do? Do they crawl, walk, pull themselves along? I don't know. A little hut here, keeping an eye on all the nests. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to wander back down to Cameo Island, which is this one here. Then you got the big one out there. That's Turtle Island, because it looks like a turtle. There's also a lot of breeding grounds on there as well, but it's called Turtle Island mostly because that's what it looks like, a giant turtle. Anyway, we're going to wander down here and have a look around. Got a lovely little stop off at Cubaneros bar there. It's got their own sunbeds, do nice cocktails. It's a nice little place to sit there in the shade as well. It's really hot like it is today. So yeah, definitely give them a go. So in the middle of Laganas beach, you've got the main strip. And this is full of all the clubs and bars. This is the main party town of the island here. Lots of got adult clubs, nightclubs. You can even see McDonald's further up the road. Obviously really quiet at the moment because it's not the season or the time of day for that, but yeah, it's definitely the busiest part we've seen in the way of clubs and bars and things. Anyway, we're going to have a look around and see what we can find. So yeah, we did stop off at McDonald's for a few cheeky nuggets. We got some chicken nuggets. Anyway, back on the beach. It doesn't go all the way around to Cameo Island, so if you do come here and expect to walk all the way along, you can't. So I'll have to come off up to the road and round probably. Such a lovely beach. The only thing I don't like is all this stuff. Like shavings, look like wood shavings. They're not, they're bits of plant washed up on the shore. They get everywhere. Okay, so we made it round. We cheated a little bit. We went back and got the car because you can't actually walk around the from the beach to where Cameo Island is without going further inland and through the country lanes. So we decided to grab the car. I haven't got to walk back so far in this heat then. It's quite a nice little place actually. Got this little chapel here. Take a look at that. Find these little places all over the islands, and you won't get many people in there. Right, so the one thing we came over here for is a bridge that goes over to Cameo Island. We go over the bridge and have a look on the island. There's a bit of a rickety old bridge, feel it bouncing around. If you're going to see some turtles, this is probably a good place to see it because the water's quite shallow, very clear. So we came from just over there, that's the harbour of Agios Sostis, across the old wooden bridge, and onto Cameo Island. Right, so you do have a €5 each entrance fee. Once you get across the wooden bridge and up the steps, they charge you €5 to come onto the island. It's not a lot. Beautiful view. During the summer you can actually go and swim with the sea turtles as well. They congregate in this area just outside Turtle Island. You can just see it back there in the distance. But absolutely stunning place. But for that entrance fee you do get a free photograph, key ring, something like that. They take your photograph when you come in. Sometimes they've been known to give you free drinks at the bar as part of the entrance fee. So well worth the €5. Anyway, we're going to go down and have a look at the beach. Right, so there you go, that's Cameo Island. Bit of rope, a few bed sheets. Becomes one of the most Instagrammed places in the world. Amazing. But it is a beautiful place, so if you're on the island, do come and have a look. We'll splash the water on there, look. Yeah, do come and visit, because it's a beautiful place. I've lost Kelly. Where's she gone? Ready? Okay, let's go collect our photographs. Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
You are. This is yours. And if you like the frame, it's €12.
Those things. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Back across the bridge, back to the car, and we're going to head to Keri. So we'll see you there. Okay, so we've arrived at Keri Lighthouse Bar and Restaurant. Apparently got some good views of Keri Caves and some good food and drink, so we'll stop off for a quick drink, check out the views. There we go. How's that for a view?